So we're just about to do a Facebook Live, people. Make sure you look into the camera. Make sure you do a Facebook Live. You're going to get 2 angles from it. Good or good, peeps? Right, are you ready? So why property investors fail when it comes to risk management. Thank you for joining us. My name is Mark Harvey. This is Trisha Harvey. This is Real Life Group, and what we're bringing to you today is why property investors fail when it comes to risk management. Why does that happen? I'll tell you why. Because number one, there is a type of person out there, I know this from personal experience because it was me, that will overanalyze absolutely everything. Why would they overanalyze everything? Why? Because they actually want to use that as their reason to take them out of the game. That's why when it comes to property investment, as sound as it can be, and one of the safest bets, because property investing is one of the very few investments that you can actually understand all the different steps that are going to happen as you're going to go through, and what it's going to look like on the back end of the investment before you even get in. Now, yeah, can things change? And that's very important of why you need to be able to adjust your strategies or know what to do when things like that come up. But more importantly, why do property investors fail when it comes to risk management? Because this is a situation, isn't it, Trisha? What happens? You are focusing it all your time. Now, risk management is important.
They're not worrying about what challenges or obstacles might come up. So you need to prepare for them so that when they do come up, that you're about the solution, finding the solution.
Yeah, but that's one thing. But this, and it's going to sound so simple that people are like, oh, that can't be it. But why you fail, why property investors fail when it comes to risk management is because they put all their focus, their time and their energy on to all of the risks. Now, you need to dip into the risk. You need to analyze your risk. You need to do the due diligence for the deal, for the area, for the situation, for the investment you need to raise, from the lending. All of that due diligence needs doing. But if you focus your whole time on just all of that due diligence all the time and all the risks that occurred, guess what it is that you attract into your life? That's it. Those risks, those failures, those things where it doesn't work out, where vendors do pull out, where investment doesn't pull through, where something changes in the market and you end up losing money, or you uncover something from, inside the job. Now, this sounds crazy, right? But there's got to be a reason why everyone in the real life tribe gets results when it comes to them and when it comes to their property investment journey. Why? Because we don't just focus on the information. Tonight, you're going to see something very special. But wherever you're watching this video, what's important for you to realize is that much more important than the information is you yourself. You yourself, on how you can receive and take on the information to go out and implement it, is more important than the information itself. You need the information, don't get me wrong, but who you become in the process of your transformation of wanting to invest in property, wanting to grow wealth, wanting to give back in some way, shape or form, want to handle with problems, challenges that come up. Look, there are risks there and they'll always be there. And as I'm saying to you, it's not about focusing all of your attention, all of your love, all of your time on these risks. You need to dedicate some time to do the due diligence. You need to be sure of what your rules are based on your strategy. So with your strategy, this is the thing. Some people, they don't even have rules. That's some people's problem. They think, I'm just going to do a HMO or buy to let strategy or a flip strategy. You don't have any rules. What means that you get into the deal? What means that you get out of the deal? What means that you change the strategy? Like, what happens and what comes up when these things need to happen? So, number one, you obviously need to know the strategy, but then you need to know what rules come into play when it means that, hey, if this happens, I'm going to do this. If that happens, I'm going to do that. So, this helps you dedicate some time to coming up with what are the factors that are involved. Then, once you know this and you know the rules, now you can sit back and relax and enjoy all the good things. Manifest all the great things that are going to happen. All the awesome connections that you're going to create and come across when it comes to your property investment journey. All the amazing trainers and coaches that are out there. That you can put yourself together with. So look, that is why property investors, the simple is, property investors fail when it comes to risk management, because they focus all of their time on the risk. Dedicate some time, take care of the due diligence, whatever it is you need to do in all the different areas. Yeah, and if you need more help and more training on this, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can get yourself to our next real life property wealth event, where we go through various strategies, but also how to deal with problems and challenges when they come up, not if, when they come up. A lot of people out there might want to paint the picture that it's all blue skies and all the rest of it. And the truth is, it is. It is all blue skies if you don't make it complicated. Yeah, most people, they make it complicated, so this whole kind of blue sky thing comes, oh, there's challenges, oh, there's hurdles. I mean, come on, where in life is there not? So that, my friends, is why property investors fail. Too much focus on the risk, not allocating time, don't know the rules of engagement. Discover your true potential. You got to do the right thing for the right reason. Now that is a sick YouTube video. True or true? So look, I just want to add value to the people. I want to bring, you know, the truth, so people are working with the truth. When people are not working with the truth, they get it all wrong. They keep going to different training, searching for this information, when they don't realize it's them themselves that needs to take a transformation, go through a transformation, so they can actually handle more of the information. I mean, I'm going to keep banging on about this message until more and more people get it, because there's a reason, my friend. You know, success don't lie, results don't lie. Everyone who's coming into real life property wealth turbo, you know, the HMO training or sourcing training, rent to rent, service accommodation, all of these people, all the coaches that are now certified, delivering results for real life, all the trainers that are going through their training, delivering, facilitating masterminds, group coaching, all of that stuff, all of this, there is something all in common. All in common with it is the growth of the people. Think about some of the best organizations, and look what most people look for in an organization when they want to draw a corporate world or the corporate ladder. They want progression, they want appreciation, yeah, they want to feel like they can move forward and grow themselves. What's the next step? You know, most people, they, you know, join an organization and they leave their boss or their manager. Why? Because they feel stifled and not being able to progress and move forward. What do you think?
Very well said, Mark Harvey. You are